Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, we are at Giggle Ridge mini golf at Cultus Lake Amusement Park. We have been having an intense game of mini golf here, and Ma is winning by 2 holes, and we are on hole 17. That means I have to win this hole to have a chance to even tie. So let's take a look at this hole. You gotta go up here, and around here, around the roller coaster, and down into that hole down there. Then I get a hole in one. Let's see what happens. Whoa, not in here. Not in the pit of despair. Oh no, the pit of despair. Oh no. Oh, it's looking right into the pit of despair. And out of the pit of despair. Oh no! I have to make this hole. I've got to make this shot.
Great, Mom.
Now 3 for me, but if she misses this, we tie it. But she still wins the thing. I'm very... Oh.
I win this hole.
She wins this hole. She's ahead by 3, and there's only 1 hole left.
If you get a hole in one, you tie.
Okay, she's saying if I get a hole in one, we tie. You gotta stay tuned for that. That's a bet. I thought I saw a bird go by.